Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I'll get back to work now. Thank you very much. So you want to...
What? We can't do all that!
Rogie, it's only for a day.
What? No, it's not. Hey! Your blinkers on.
Good comeback, Cal.
Crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
On your mark, get set. Uno for the morning, due for the show.
All right.
Looks like we got some work to do.
Using your light and pick them up with your tongues. All right, ready camping, Ms. Bell?
Hold your fire! He can't disarm it. Major, I don't know what you're doing, but stand down now.
To St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Major, let's go! You're on!
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
¡Son tubos de escape!
Completed the repair of the Apple Road emergency phone. Can you hear me? Yep, loud and clear. What phone?
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMee.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Get me all the way to California.
Pete, stop.
Yeah, does anybody know what time Luigi's open?
Hey! What? What's going on? That's what I go.
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Apa warna favorit versi ya? 3, hijau.
Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Ciao, bella.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement. He's been Danico's golden boy for years.
Oh, yeah. A very exciting win for you today. Quite a...
Nou, je motor oplichten. Nee, nou, een slokje water.
Die hier kind soldaat.
Jongen, jongen.
for?
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're fit.
Drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66. No, we just...
All right, what's going on?
Lightning McQueen!
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat his cry back.
Check out Guido. Nice maneuver.